Guys, we're out here at the shop and I'm about to show you guys how to do a headlight restoration on a BMW X5. Before, that's how they look. And we've already started this one a little bit. Pretty much what you want to do first is get your 1500 grit and first do the 1500 and then continue with like a 2000 and then go up. Andre, where are we going?
Home Depot.
Gotta go to Home Depot, get some tape for those headlights. We're here at the Lowe's, and Andre's about to get some paint. Or what are we getting? Masking tape?
Yeah.
We're about to get some masking tape, guys. We're gonna probably just go with this green frog tape or... Good deal.
Good
$9
deal.
bucks. That's not bad.
We
got all our supplies and about to head back to the shop. See you guys at the shop. Guys, also make sure not to tape the headlights so you can scratch the paint and so you get some nice swirl marks. Just kidding. Of course, tape it up and then start sanding. All right, guys, for the next step, you want to go on the interweb and order this headlight repair restoration kit. It's going to come with this fluid, a little cord, and one of these little cups, and adapter piece. So guys, now that you guys got the fluid, I just want to plug in the cord and wait a couple minutes till it warms up. And guys, it's gonna come out with this little vapor, and as you can see, just make sure you guys sand it very good so you can get really good results. It's all about in the prep work. So here's the finished result. Obviously the car is still really dirty, hasn't been cleaned yet, but as you can see, the headlights speak for themselves. Hope you guys found this video helpful. And have a good day.